So in cell cycle, gap 1 synthetic, gap 2, then it enters the division phase. Now we need to discuss division phase. Division phase occurs in two phases, what is known as two types, mitosis and meiosis. So any cell, living organism that contains the cell, any cell of the living organism undergoes either mitosis or meiosis. So you have to remember two important definitions here: mitosis, meiosis. The definitions of these two you need to remember. What is mitosis? Mitosis is the type of division where equal number of or amount of chromosomes will be equally divided into the daughter cells. From mother cell, the DNA will be equally distributed. That is called mitosis. So the newly formed cells contains equal number of chromosomes in the mother cell. That's why the chromosomes or DNA will be doubled in the synthetic. Suppose 46 chromosomes are there in the mother cell. It will be divided, it will be replicated into what is known as 92 chromosomes. Then they are equally distributed into 46 in the daughter cells. So to maintain the constant number of chromosomes in the organisms, this DNA replication synthesis takes place in the synthetic phase. That process is called mitosis. In mitotic division, what happens? It maintains the constant number of chromosomes in the daughter cells. Whereas this mitosis occurs in all somatic cells or body cells. Somatic cells. In all living organisms, the cells again are two types: somatic cells and reproductive cells. In all somatic cells, this mitosis division will be takes place. Then meiosis. Meiosis is reducing division. Number of chromosomes will be reduced. It is occurs in the reproductive cells only. Here won't confuse. For that I will explain one thing. In case of diploid organisms 2n, I will take human beings as example. 46 chromosomes are there. Both mother and father contains 46. The newly born baby should contains also 46 chromosomes. How? So in mother reproductive cells, the gamete ovum will be contains 23 chromosomes. So the ovum cell formed into 23 chromosomes through the meiosis, reduced division. From male, the gamete contains 23 chromosomes. These two are merged by fertilization and form the 46 zygotic cell. So to maintain the constant number of chromosomes in the daughter organism, the reproductive cells undergoes meiotic division. That is called meiosis or meiotic reduced division, number of chromosomes. So these two are the two types of cell divisions: mitosis, meiosis. In GATE syllabus, there is no specific on the mitosis or meiosis, but I will explain the various stages in the mitosis. You see here, mitosis, the division of the nucleus, also called as karyokinesis. It occurs only in the eukaryotes. You remember, mitosis occurs only in the eukaryotes, not in prokaryotes. It contains 4 stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Mitosis contains these 4 important phases or stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So the somatic cell undergoes 4 different phases before going to divide into 2 cells. You can easily understand by seeing the diagrams. prophase, what happens? First the cell enter the prophase stage where the condensing of chromosomes takes place. This type of chromosomes condensed. Then metaphase. In metaphase what happens? All chromosomes comes and join in the center area of the cell. Mitotic. In mitotic division, the center phase. Here these chromosomes comes and in an orderly manner these are arranged at the center part of the cell, and these are attached with the spindle fibers that starts in the next phase called anaphase. Through these spindle fibers, the chromosomes will be moved toward their polar regions. These are like this. During the movement of these chromosomes, the centromere attached with these spindle fibers. Then telophase. In telophase, what happens? The chromosomes are clearly separated and division of the cytokines will be takes place. Then two cells will be formed. Two cells completely will be formed. Then before the formation of new cell, the cytokines will also be takes place. The separation of the cytoplasm.